got knocked down last night. Well, 40-foot wave come and put out the light. I got half a candle and a restless soul. The wind is knocking on the old back door. Oh, brick and mortar, all melt to mud. Something so nice about the flood. Lady down the street come and splash to me. Little bad weather for a little bit of company. And I said, neighbor, neighbor, come and hop on my raft. It's made from your roof and some of my trash. Your stuff, my stuff, our stuff together. Well, it don't really matter in this kind of weather. So we were drifting past the old food mart, out of water, rafts falling apart. And neighbor Dan says, this one's me, and he hops off the side to a fallen tree. And I said, Dan, Dan, what you doing, man? He said, I gotta find my own way, just the best I can. And I said, Dan, you're sitting on a tree. He said, I know I am, I know I am. And I think it suits me. And so that was Dan. And then there was just me and me, and we always wondered, did Dan end up okay? He seemed fine at the time, but you couldn't help but just wonder if his mind was not slipping away. Ponder and suppose, and if Dan died, he had a peaceful repose. And what more can you ask for at the end of your days? Well, I got half a candle soul. The wind is knocking on the old back door. Oh, brick and mortar, all melt to mud. Something so nice about the flood. I got half a candle and a restless soul. The wind